For the first project, we are going to use the Premiere Pro tutorial and create a movie using the Create a Social Video tutorial. This will sharpen your skills and make sure everyone is on the same playing field. There is a series of 5 steps you need to finish in order to create this video. So you're going to start at step 1 and then move through each of the steps. There's step 2 there. Step 2 is all about color correction. So it's asking you to open a window so you can see the tools. So you are going to go up to the window and ask for the metric colors. The next part is to work with the graphics. And you're going to go up to the window and ask for essential graphics. And the next little tutorial will be all about sound. So you go up to the window and ask for essential sound. And then once you get that window opened, you'll see that there's lots of little segments to open up and reveal some big options for you under moods, genres, and filters. So once you've gone through all those steps, you're going to export that video out and drop it in the Dropbox, which will take up to a gigabyte in size. And then you can see back in the landing page there are lots of other tutorials that you can watch, and we will be looking at some of those later on.